Welcome back to another 5-minute market update. First off, Valentine's Day. Hello, all of you people with significant others. Do not forget that there is a world outside of all these bars and crazy stuff happening in crypto. Buy flowers, buy chocolate, buy gifts, whatever you need to do. But don't forget, it's Valentine's Day, either for your tomorrow or for my today. So the first thing, BTC is holding its range. So far, it's still frustrating, but at least it's holding and it's not dumping further. One thing that I noticed is that we keep making these sequentially lower lows, which is exhausting to say the least. Seeing this just go down and down and down. But the reality is that this is all good stuff because this is setting us up for a mega reversal that I'm still fully 100% expecting. And nothing is really changing or shaking my resolve in regards to what I'm seeing with the price of BTC, either on the 4-hour time frame or on the daily time frame. Things are still looking good. Now, others dominance did print a TBT bullish divergence signal. This is a great reversal signal. We really want to see this slow line flatten out completely, not slowly trend down. So I'm still kind of looking at this going, I really hope that's right. What I actually expect to have happen is in a couple of days, we're going to see another one of these, and then we're going to see an orange TBO close short. It's going to take about a week for us to see one of those, but we do have a good start to a reversal, which is why we're seeing a lot of charts looking really green. But before we get to those green charts in crypto, it's important to take a minute and look at TradFi. The DXY, the US dollar index, is down. Yesterday, it fell down negative 0.84%, which is great. This is a big drop. And it's funny because everyone that's not using the TBO is wondering, well, what's going on with this chart? But in reality, whenever the price goes inside of the daily TBO cloud, it is signaling that we are going to be bearishly consolidating for a while. We get a blue dot like that, and these are TBO closed longs, letting us know that if we're in an open long position, if we could long this chart for some reason, we want to be taking profit to get out of the trade because the trend could be changing. Now, a couple days ago, on Tuesday, we got a red X, which is a cross down, and now the chart is falling down. This is amazing. Plus, RSI in the daily time frame isn't even oversold yet, which means this is going to fall a lot further, which is giving stocks and crypto and Bitcoin a breath of fresh air. This is a good TradFi signal. So let's look at a couple of charts. BNB. A lot of you are probably caught off guard by this one. I did share the fact that this one was pumping, but the fact that it did pierce above overhead resistance, it was amazing. We had a test and a pierce, but we could see obviously yesterday it opened here at about 697, shot all the way up here to 731, and then dumped. Someone's taken profit. We can see this is on Binance. This is a lot of buying and selling happening for BNB, $1.1 billion on the daily time frame. That's massive. I do think that BNB is going to continue to push up higher. It was just a little bit of a panic sell right here, probably because crypto is just being emotionally driven, which is good for trading. But keep in mind that we really need to see the price of BNB close above this white line. When it does close above the white line, we need at least 3 days to confirm this. My expectation is that BNB is probably going to pierce above it again today, come back down to about 685, and then shoot up. Now, there is clear resistance right here at 742, so just keep that in mind. Shiba Inu coin. This one has also been teasing us many, many times over, trying to break above this first line of resistance. But we did get a couple of days broken above. It wasn't enough, and it kept fighting, still fighting. But I'm seeing some good reversal signals for this chart. Litecoin, there's a lot of talk about Litecoin's ETF being approved before everything else. Just understand that there is a little bit of lost energy here. It's kind of running out of energy, kind of running out of steam, but this is normal for this chart. You go to the 4-hour time frame and just look at RSI. RSI in the 4-hour time frame maxed out recently at, what is this value? Can't even see it. Here we go. 90 something, 93. So there's a good chance that we're not going to see Litecoin push up to a dramatic degree anytime soon. Even if we get an ETF thing, that's going to be a pump for the ETF and then a dump as soon as it's listed, because that seems to be the case for crypto. Mantle, this one is showing some promising signs on the 4-hour time frame. Right here, we got TBO closed short, my favorite reversal signal, coupled with TBT bullish diversion signals with a flat, slow line. This is a great sign. The last time we saw this, the price did dump, obviously a lot, but it did pump after that as well. So I'm actually expecting MNT to pop a little bit from here. You can see I actually have an open position over here on all trading. Let me get it queued up for you. So MNT BTC is a great chart for me to accumulate more Bitcoin, not necessarily more Mantle. And yes, because of the XRP fund and all the good stuff that's happening, I am in enjoying the little pop that it saw yesterday. I still have some targets that have to be hit. And keep in mind that XLM is tied to XRP's price performance, which is why I have simultaneous trades open for both XLM and XRP. And by the way, my Masa bot did close in profit after being down yet again another 40%, something crazy like that. It closed in profit yesterday and it's opening up more and more deals. Absolutely crazy. I love DCA bots. Insane. A couple more charts for you. POPCAT is showing some really strong reversal signs, especially in the daily time frame after seeing TBT bullish divergence. Now, the last time didn't work so well. It fell down, but look at all this bullish growing strength here on RSI. And now on balance volume is above the white moving average. It's a good sign. Jupe is starting to finally bounce from this range that I've been sharing for a while. This is a really strong reversal section right here. This level at 78 cents. It's TBO support on the daily time frame. My expectation is to see Jupe probably go up here to about $1.19 or so, and then it'll probably pump, and that'll be it. Last one that's really interesting is Not. Not had a pretty significant burst of volume yesterday, way above the average, and it had a nice little pop, but nothing really happened. This is, in my opinion, an accumulation wick, if I ever did see one. So I want to let you know about one more thing before you go. I know this is a little bit long, trying to keep it at 5 minutes, but man, oh man, is it difficult. We're having a sale at the Better Traders. Our winter sale starts today. You can save 30% off of all of our courses. If you don't know where to start, the best place to start is going to be the 15 Minutes to Financial Freedom course. This covers bot trading. It covers automated trading, free signals, one-on-one coaching, access to the TBO indicator. There's a ton of stuff. So head on over to thebettertraders.com, save 30% on all of our courses now, and have a fantastic weekend. And until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.